Hello class. On previous turn we have studied about fertilization and the three transferring agents of pollination. Wind, water and insect pollination we have seen, and we have seen the fertilization process. Students, we have seen that after fertilization the ovule of the flower is converted to seed and the ovary will be converted to fruit. So today we are going to study about fruit and seed. Let's first start fruit. Students, fruit is a mature ovary, right? What is fruit? It is a mature ovary of the flower. Means when the flower's ovary become mature, then it converts it into fruit. Now students, fruit is mainly made up of two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Okay, the first one is pericarp and the other one is seed. Okay, in a fruit, except the seed, all other parts except the seeds are known as pericarp. Okay, so what is pericarp? Apart from seed, other parts of fruit are known as pericarp. Other part of fruit is known as pericarp. And then the next part, except pericarp, the part is seed. Okay. Now let's see, pericarp is made up of how many parts? The pericarp is made up of three parts, or pericarp can be divided into three parts, right? The first is epicarp, the second is mesocarp, and the third is endocarp, right? So pericarp is made up of three parts: epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Epicarp, students, it is the thin outermost part, which is, in general language you can call it peel of the fruit. For example, in a mango, this is a fruit of mango image. You can see in a mango the outermost yellowish green color layer. In some fruits it is completely yellow in color. In some mangoes it is completely yellow in color. In some mangoes it is light greenish yellow in color. Okay, so that greenish yellow or yellow color, yellowish in color or greenish yellowish color is epicarp. It is the peel of the mango which we peel it and we throw it. Okay, that is called epicarp. Okay, so it is the outer thin peel of the fruit. The second is mesocarp, the middle part, the fleshy part of the fruit, the pulp which we eat, students. For example, the yellow part in the mango which you eat with lots of interest, that is called mesocarp. Okay, because it is present in middle, that's why it is called mesocarp. It is the outermost, that's why it is called epicarp. Okay, and the third one, students, the stony part, the hard part which we throw. Okay, when we eat all the pulp, we get a very hard part, very hard stony part, that is called endocarp. Okay, this stony layer is endocarp. Then you must be thinking that ma'am, it is seed na? No beta, it is endocarp. Inside this endocarp the seed is present. Okay, inner hard portion enveloping the seed, means this inside this endocarp the seed is present. If you get time, you can eat a mango, okay, and you can cut this endocarp, you can cut this hard stony part, and inside it you will observe the seed. Okay, so fruit is made up of two parts, pericarp and seed. Let's study fruit, right? It is made up of two parts. It can be divided into two parts, the pericarp, and the second part is seed. Pericarp again is made up of three parts. Epicarp means outermost thin peel, mesocarp the fleshy pulpy part which we eat, and the hard stony part, that is called endocarp, right? And inside endocarp the seed is present. In some fruits the endocarp is less developed, or in some fruits the mesocarp is less developed. Okay, so in this way the changes takes place, but the basic structure of fruit is this, that it is made up of pericarp and seed, and pericarp made up of epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. These all three together called pericarp. Okay, so students, this is the mature ovary of the flower. And what fruit does? Fruit protects the seed, right? Because inside the seed is the baby plant is present. Inside the seed the baby plant is present, which can form more plant. When we will sow the seed, then from that baby plant more plants can be formed. So seeds need a protection, because inside it what is present? Baby plant. So fruits protect the baby plant. Fruits protect the seed and they also help in dispersal of seed. Means, students, if the seeds will not be scattered, then how the plants will grow, right? To grow the plants at different places, scattering of seeds is necessary, na? So how the scattering of seeds takes place? With the help of fruits. Because for fruits, the persons from different areas come and pluck the fruit. For fruit, na, for to eat fruit, na, we pluck the fruit from the tree, okay, and then this fruit goes in different areas everywhere in the country, and then the people eat that fruit and they throw the seed, and by the help of seed the plant can grow. Okay, so to grow the plants, scattering of seed is also necessary. Okay, spread of seeds is also necessary, means dispersal. So who helps in dispersal? Fruit helps in dispersal or in scattering of seeds, because for the fruit only we pluck the fruit from the tree, right? To eat the fruit we pluck the fruit from the tree, so it helps in dispersal also, and it protects the seed or the baby plant also. Now let's start studying seed. Students, seed is mature ovule, right? Fruit is mature ovary of the flower and seed is the mature ovule of the flower. Now you can see this is the image of a seed. Okay, this is the image of a gram seed or any seed you can take. Now students, in this seed, first of all, the seed is having an outermost layer. It is protected by outermost layer which is called seed coat. Okay, this brown color layer you can see seed coat. Okay, this is seed coat. In a gram seed, in a black gram seed, you can see the outermost brown color layer, okay, which you see the brown color layer in the gram seed, that is the seed coat. Okay, and when you will remove that seed coat, what you will see? The two parts of gram, right? The seed of the gram will be broken down to two parts. So these two parts are the cotyledons of the seed. What they are called? Cotyledon. Okay, so in some seeds there is only one cotyledon, in some seeds there are two cotyledons. Okay, so in gram seed, in mango seed, there are two cotyledons. Okay, so students, what is the function of cotyledon? We will see, but first of all, inside the cotyledon, this part is called, this is your baby plant, okay, or embryo. What is this? This is embryo. Actually it is broken down into two, but it is one. When we will break the cotyledon, we will separate the two cotyledons, then the embryo will be break down to two. Otherwise it is one embryo. Okay, in the center there is one embryo, or this embryo is also called baby plant. This embryo is the baby plant. Okay, now students, what is the function of cotyledon? This cotyledon provides the food for this baby plant. Okay, because seeds we keep for so many days now, as it is, means we do not sow the seeds. Then even if the gram seeds are kept in your houses for long time, okay, for 1 month, 2 months, and after 2 months you will sow that seed, then even this baby plant will be able to grow. The baby plant will then, even after 2 months also, the baby plant will grow, the embryo will grow, and the whole plant will be formed. So for that 2 months, for very long time, who is providing the food to this baby plant? Students, this cotyledon is providing the food to the baby plant. Okay, so the outermost layer of the seed is called seed coat. Inside the seed coat there are cotyledons. In some seeds there may be one cotyledon, in some seeds there may be two cotyledons. Okay, in gram, in mango seeds there are two cotyledons, and in the center of the cotyledon there is an embryo or baby plant. Okay, what is the function of cotyledon? Cotyledon provides food for the baby plant, for the embryo, and when we will germinate this seed, okay, when you will give the water, the heat or temperature, okay, and the air, oxygen, you will give this seeds. When we will sow the gram seed in, when we will soak the gram seed in water, then it germinates, na? You can see the white color structure comes out from the gram seeds. Okay, so whenever the seed will get water, air and temperature, means heat, warmth, then it will germinate. Okay, and when it will germinate, then at the time of germination, this is the embryo, right? See students, this is the seed. Okay, this is the embryo. So the lower part of embryo is called radicle. Okay, the lower part of the embryo or the baby plant is called radicle, and the upper part is called plumule, right? Okay, so embryo or baby plant is having two parts, the lower part radicle and the upper part plumule. From radicle root grows, and from plumule stem grows. or shoot system grows. Okay, shoot system grows from plumule and root system grows from radicle. So when we will sow the seed, from radicle roots grows in the soil and from plumule shoot grows. So students, this was all about seed.